Are you ready to revolutionize orthotic design? Introducing EasyCAD2, the next evolution in orthotic design software. Be part of the future of orthotic design. Fully integrated into FreeStep environment software. EasyCAD2, where innovation meets precision. Whether you're an expert or just starting, transform your orthotic design process with EasyCAD2. Experience the future of orthotic design. EasyCAD2 offers a seamless, intuitive interface that puts the power of precision at your fingertips. EasyCAD2 empowers you to create custom orthotics with unmatched accuracy and speed. EasyCAD2 is CNC and 3D printing ready. For your freedom of choice, EasyCAD2 is compatible with most production systems. No more excuses. Pre-order now and step into the future.